My name is Jennifer Castles, and my experience with Dropship Breakthru has been fantastic. I've been in the group for about a year and 4 months right now, and John and Ben are phenomenal. I had found John through listening to a podcast, and I said, this material seems extremely interesting. I was in another group, and that group was a good starting point for me, but hearing what John had to say on that podcast, I said, I'm joining the Dropship Breakthru, absolutely. And what I like about the group is they are so knowledgeable and they're always there for you through the Slack channel, through the Facebook group, the coaching calls. If you have a question, they're very quick to respond. And they really give you everything that you need to build a successful store. Dropship Breakthru is a phenomenal course. The depth of material that they go into is nothing like any other course that I've seen. And I was in another course prior to this, and this course is like being on steroids compared to that other course.
Dropship Breakthru!